Assalamu alaikum. Today, we are going to talk about a very important and delicate topic, the first night of marriage, and what Islam teaches about it. Many people think of this night as only a physical event, but in Islam, it is much more than that. It is the beginning of emotional and spiritual bonding between husband and wife. In this video, we will understand the true purpose of the first night, how Islam guides us to approach it respectfully and beautifully, and how both husband and wife can start their new life together with love, patience, and understanding. Let's begin and explore how Islam shows us the way to make the first night of marriage a blessed and meaningful moment. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any Islamic guidance and tips for a happy and blessed life. Your support helps us share more valuable content with everyone. Marriage in Islam is a sacred and blessed union between two people. It is not just a social or legal contract. It is a spiritual bond that brings two souls together to share their life, love, and responsibilities. Islam teaches that marriage is a way to create harmony, compassion, and mutual respect between husband and wife. It allows two people to support each other emotionally, spiritually, and practically in life. From the very beginning, marriage is meant to be a journey of understanding, patience, and love. The purpose of marriage in Islam goes far beyond companionship. It is a means of emotional support, spiritual growth, and mutual assistance. Husband and wife are meant to be partners, helping each other in matters of faith, in personal growth, and in facing life's challenges. Islam emphasizes that the relationship should be balanced and based on respect, care, and mercy. Marriage is a partnership, not a competition, where both partners work together to build a peaceful and loving home. The first night of marriage holds a very special significance in this journey. Many people think it is only about physical closeness, but in reality, it is mainly about emotional and spiritual bonding. This night marks the beginning of a new life together and can set the tone for a happy and blessed marriage. Approaching it with patience, understanding, and love ensures that the relationship starts on a strong and positive foundation. The first night is also an opportunity to connect spiritually. Islam teaches that marriage is not only a worldly relationship, but also a spiritual journey. Couples should approach each other with humility, sincerity, and hearts open to compassion and understanding. Beginning the night with awareness of Allah's presence brings blessings, mercy, and harmony into the relationship, creating a sacred and peaceful atmosphere for both partners. Preparing for the first night is very important. Both husband and wife should be clean, fresh, and groomed. Performing wudu or ablution is highly recommended because it purifies the body and soul. Cleanliness and freshness show respect to each other and to the sacredness of the marriage. A calm and tidy environment also makes the couple feel comfortable and relaxed, which is essential for building trust and emotional closeness. A peaceful and respectful environment is key to a successful first night. A clean room, soft lighting, and a comfortable setting can make the night more special. Small touches like a tidy bed, subtle decorations, or a soft fragrance can add to the feeling of warmth and love. The goal is to create a calm space where both partners feel safe, respected, and ready to connect emotionally and spiritually. The night should begin with sincere dua, asking Allah to bless the marriage with love, mercy, and barakah. Prayer is a reminder that marriage is a sacred responsibility and a gift from Allah. Beginning with dua sets a spiritual tone and brings a sense of peace and mindfulness. It helps both partners remember that they are not just starting a worldly relationship, but a journey that has spiritual significance and divine guidance. Showing respect and kindness to each other is very important on the first night. A simple greeting, a warm smile, or gentle words can create a sense of comfort and trust. Islam teaches that respect, patience, and gentleness form the foundation of a strong marriage. Even small gestures like helping your spouse settle in or offering a kind word can make the night memorable and loving. Talking and understanding each other is one of the most important parts of the first night. Couples can share their thoughts, dreams, and expectations for the future. Listening carefully to each other and showing empathy helps to build trust and emotional closeness. Honest and open conversation creates a strong bond that can last a lifetime, making both partners feel valued and understood. Patience and comfort are essential on the first night. Both partners should approach each other with understanding and without rushing anything. There should be no fear, pressure, or stress. Islam emphasizes that every interaction between husband and wife should be gentle, caring, and patient. This approach helps in creating a positive and peaceful start to married life. Physical intimacy, if it happens, should always be based on mutual consent, comfort, and care. It should never involve pressure or force. Islam teaches that physical closeness is a beautiful and sacred part of marriage when it is rooted in love, respect, and emotional connection. When both partners feel safe and comfortable, intimacy strengthens trust and deepens the bond between husband and wife. Many people misunderstand the first night of marriage, thinking it is only about physical closeness. In Islam, this is far from the truth. The first night is about trust, love, and emotional bonding. It is a chance to start the marriage with care, understanding, and patience without fear or unrealistic expectations. Focusing on emotional and spiritual connection ensures a healthy and happy start to life together. Building a strong emotional connection on the first night is very important. Sharing thoughts, laughing together, expressing hopes, and listening to each other helps to create a lasting bond. Emotional intimacy is the foundation of a happy marriage, and the first night is the perfect time to start this journey. Love, care, and understanding during these moments lay the groundwork for a peaceful and harmonious life together. When couples begin their marriage with respect, kindness, and dua, Allah blesses their relationship with barakah. A peaceful and loving first night invites happiness, harmony, and spiritual blessings into the marriage. Islam encourages couples to start their life together with patience, mercy, and mutual understanding, creating a home full of love and compassion. The first night of marriage marks the beginning of a beautiful journey. By approaching it with love, patience, understanding, and sincere dua, husband and wife lay the foundation for a strong, harmonious, and spiritually blessed marriage. Islam teaches that marriage is a sacred partnership, where emotional, spiritual, and physical harmony work together to create a life of love, mercy, and happiness. The first night is the start of this blessed journey, a moment to cherish and remember with care and respect. Alhamdulillah, we have learned how Islam guides us to approach the first night of marriage with love, patience, respect, and dua. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more Islamic guidance on relationships, marriage, and life. May Allah bless all marriages with love, mercy, and barakah.